I hire, I do purchasing, meal preparation, menu planning, costing, cost of goods sold compared to food costs. Also, I purchase beer, wine, all the beverages. The creativity part. I enjoy creating different meals. Our menu changes quite frequently. We work off of a chalkboard system here, so I like fresh ideas, do different things, and we keep it moving that way. And that's what I really enjoy about cooking. I've been in the restaurant business since I was 15 years old. I started as a busboy. I was a banquet waiter and banquet manager, and then I moved forward into cooking. My first cooking job was at a restaurant called the Moonraker. I was 17. I was a prep cook and a line cook. Most of my schooling is hands-on. I did a year and a half at University of Akron, but everything else is pretty much hands-on. I got a degree from Akron University in hotel and motel management. I've done catering. I've owned my own restaurant, sold it. I've worked in schools, a sports school, National Sports Academy in Lake Placid. I worked there for 7 years, which was really a great thing. Met a lot of people from all over the world. And then when National Sports Academy closed, I came here. Go work in a restaurant first before you decide that it's a great thing to go to culinary school. Go work in a restaurant and then further your education by going to college. Absolutely, go to college. I enjoy the people that I meet. I meet people from all walks of life, all over the world. That's, I think, probably one of my favorite parts about it, meeting different people.